Greetings, I'm Dev the developer. This lesson covers the accent tags, the 9 elements HTML provides for marking up emphasis, importance, and changes to text. Some of these look identical on screen, but mean completely different things. We're going to sort them out now. The most common confusion in this group is the EM, emphasis, versus the I, italic tags. They both render italics by default, but they are not the same thing. EM marks stress emphasis. It changes the meaning of a sentence. Screen readers may adjust their tone when they encounter it. If you are underlining a word to signal that it carries extra weight in that sentence, that is emphasis. I, the italic tag, is used for text that is visually distinct for a reason other than stress. Technical terms, foreign phrases, the internal thoughts of a character in fiction. The visual treatment is italic, but the semantic meaning is this is a different kind of text, not this is stressed. If you are only making something italic for visual reasons and the italics carry no meaning, that is a CSS job, not a tag job. The same distinction applies to strong and B, bold. Both render bold by default, but different meanings. Strong indicates strong importance, urgency, or seriousness. Screen readers may change their tone, use it for warnings, critical information, or key terms that must not be missed. B, bold, is for text that should draw visual attention without implying importance. Product names, keywords in a summary, the text stands out, but no semantic weight is attached. A different category of accent tag marks up changes to content over time rather than its importance or emphasis. DEL marks text that has been removed. The browser renders it with a strike-through. Use it when showing a revision or change where the removed content should still be visible. INS marks text that has been inserted. It's often used alongside DEL in collaborative documents or changelogs. S is for text that is no longer accurate or relevant but should not be deleted outright. The classic example is a crossed out price on a sale page. The key difference between deletes and strike-throughs is the intent. Deletes represent an actual editorial deletion. S represents something that is no longer accurate but was not deleted. It was superseded. 2 more tags round out this group. Mark highlights text for reference purposes. Think of it like a yellow highlighter. It's for text that is specifically relevant to the context the reader is currently in. Search results highlighting a query term or a documentation annotation. The U tag underlines text. It was originally used for hyperlinks and then fell out of use because hyperlinks have their own styling. Today, the U tag is valid for very specific purposes like indicating a misspelled word in a document editor or making a proper noun in certain languages. In practice, you will rarely need it, and you should be cautious because underlined text strongly suggests a link to most users. 9 tags. The pairs to remember are EM for semantic stress versus I for non-stress alternate voice, and strong for semantic importance versus B for visual attention. Then insert, delete, and strike-throughs for content changes over time, and mark for contextual highlights, U for rare specific cases where you need to underline. When the semantic is right, use the semantic tag. When only the look matters, reach for CSS. The best way to internalize that distinction is to try them on real content and see what each one actually communicates. Don't just watch it, do it.